I'm Eric Kramer. I had both left and right knee replaced about 2.5 years ago. Two of the happiest days of my life. I seem to fit in that category of patients who put it off and put it off as long as they could. Looking back at it now, I have no idea why I was thinking that way. It was one of the biggest mistakes I ever made. Prior to the surgery, I was always bow-legged, and it seemed to get worse and worse. And so when it got to the point where I literally really couldn't walk anywhere without being in pain, I was in bed at night with my knees just throbbing, and I knew that I had reached that point. So I went, saw Dr. Schutte, who was recommended to me by a PT. There was just a feeling of relaxation, a feeling of sincerity, a feeling of very honest back and forth conversation. It's the first time I said, let's do it. I'm ready to do it. I'm ready to do it with you. And it was probably one of the best decisions I ever made in my life. And since I've had it done, every day, it's just, I'm still amazed at how much more function I have in my knees, how I went from severe pain to moderate pain to low pain to absolutely no pain at all. I'm able to run for the first time in years. I can bike now. I walk 3, 4, 5 miles a day, no pain at all. I can do anything. There are absolutely no limitations. For anybody that is having knee pain, I would highly recommend that they would go and visit Dr. Schutte. He's extremely honest and sincere, and if you don't need to have your knee replaced, he will be the first one to tell you that. But if he feels that you need it or you only have so much time, he'll let you know that too. I couldn't have been happier, and I can testify not for one knee, but for both knees. It was the same procedure, the same feelings for both. It was great.